Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, CaptainFishbeard.com. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a mermaid. Big request this one. Lots of people want to draw a mermaid. Mermaids are always fun. I've drawn lots of mermaids. I have a series of books called Captain Fishbeard, which you can find on my website, tomsparke.com. In which it involves a character called Captain Fishbeard who lives under the sea and his best friend is a mermaid. So I've drawn a lot of mermaids in my time drawing those books. They're big, big A5 books, and there's lots of funny cartoons in those. So check those out if you haven't already. But here is how I will draw Fleur. Here's what his friend is called. So we start off with the face here. So I'm going to do her face in two sort of chunks there. So I'm going to draw a little bread shape there. That's going to be the top of her head. And I'm going to draw this one coming out as the bottom bit there. So it's more of an oval there as well. Now Fleur, she's called Fleur. Her surname is Maid. Her surname is Fleurmaid. Full name. Fleurmaid. Like mermaid, Fleurmaid. It's a joke, right? It's fun. Fun. Right, so we're going to have lots of sort of big... she's normally got curls coming up here. So I'm going to draw just the little indentation of a curl there. And then it's going to draw a big... of hair here. So the beauty of drawing a mermaid is that they're always under the water and their hair is cool. It goes all over the place like this. I'm just going to map out where her eyes are going to be roughly. So she's normally got that there, eyelashes, eye there, eyelashes. Again, so she's been a bit more of a general mermaid. There we go. Got a little mouth like that. Then she's got a neck. Who knew? She's half fish, but she's half human too. And then the body's, I'm going to draw a torso. It's going to come roughly down like that. I'm going to map out with my pencils where the body's going to go. And with a mermaid, what I like to do is just draw a little sort of curl around like that. We draw a little S, so an inverted S or upside down S, like that. And then you can kind of follow that round to where the tail's going to be. It's always a swooshy shape with a mermaid. And then put the tail in somewhere around here. Again, don't need to be too exact at the moment. And then you're going to be drawing scales and that sort of stuff up and down there. And arms, I'm going to draw a little line there for where the first arm's going to be. Do a little thing on there. Next one's going to be there, with that there. And then I can follow that line round like that. And then the hand's going to be coming like this. See how that helps us? Finding that the sort of ball of the hand there really does help you figure out where things are going to go. Again, I'm being very, very quick with this one, but you can be a lot more. There's some hair coming down over that bit there. You can be a lot more precise with yours. There we go. So this is only a rough picture. It's going to look much better once we come to the pen stages. Hopefully. Hair, more hair. Again, I don't want to take forever over it, so I'm going to quickly finish that off, and then I'm going to show you how it looks with the pen on here as well now. So occasionally going to do a little flick for the hair across like that. Haven't drawn Fleur for a while because I haven't been drawing the comics recently. Let's go draw a little floosh there. A floosh? That's not a word, is it? But you can make up your own words when you're an artist. A floosh. Here we go. It's the problem with brush pens, you don't often get clear dots. Should be using a smaller pen for this bit, but I don't want to waste time. Your guys' precious time with the finer details, so I'm sticking with what I've got, and it's just going to look a little bit rough, but I really just want to get across to you how easy it is to draw these things with simple shapes. I'm going to follow that line across there right the way around. Follow the best line out to the tail. Here we go, push that round like that. And we had this arm coming down like that, didn't we? And then the hand you'll be much more precise than I am when you're doing yours. I'm absolutely certain. Take more care of your pictures. This is coming together nicely now. There we go. Follow those around like that. There we go. Sometimes it does take a bit of patience to do a full pencil drawing first and then go over it with pen, but I think it really does help your final drawing. That's my mermaid. That's a version of Fleur from the Captain Fishbeard books. But try your own. Put different things on them. You can put starfish all over them. I like to use like a starfish as maybe a hair accessory over here. Put backgrounds on them. Draw rolling waves or seabeds with other creatures behind. Really go have fun with it. And yeah, just enjoy it. Enjoy art. That's really what it's there for. Is for you to enjoy creating and enjoying the things that you have created. But I'd love to see yours when you do them. So yeah, please do like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back very soon with another drawing from CaptainFishbeard.com.